Hi, welcome to class. Today we are looking at rotational symmetry. We just want to turn a shape and we want to look at how many times between when we begin to turn it and when it returns to its original position, how many times we have exactly the same shape. An example will explain more of what I'm trying to say. So here by the left, you will see that I've placed a circle there with a letter X at the 12 o'clock position. Now, what we want to do is to begin to rotate the circle with the X and see that, okay, between when we start to rotate it and when it makes a full revolution, how many times do we have exactly this same position? If I push the play button and I begin to rotate this, you will see the X begin to move. So how many times do we see the X again at the 12 o'clock position? All right, how many times does it give us the exact same shape as when we started? And for this case, you will see that between 0 and 360 degrees, you only have this one time. And for that, we say that this has a rotational symmetry of order 1. So for this second example, now there are two X's. One is in the 12 o'clock position and the other one is in the 6 o'clock position. There we go. So it begins. And then you will see that at exactly 180 degrees turning, we have exactly the same position right there. It looks the same as when we started. That's just 180 degrees. We need to make a full revolution. So when it hits 360 degrees, we have order 2, okay? For this one, if I hit play, we will see that the first time it's going to look exactly the same will be right about now. That's 1, and then 2, 3, and then 4. So this particular one has rotational symmetry of order 4. I hope it's becoming clearer now than it was when we started. Here's another one. I've got an octagon because it's got 8 sides, but that dot, okay, is not a part of the image because I have not attached it to it at all. When it begins rotating, you will see that the dot will not continue to rotate together with the circle. I've placed the dot there just to help us count the number of times we are going to have the same exact position so that it's not confusing. As it begins to rotate, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. So we will say that this has rotational symmetry of order 8. Now we pick another example. And for this video, this will be the last example we're going to take. I'd like you to try this and tell us the order of rotational symmetry. One thing you would notice is that the shape has got, the two hands right there, shorter than the two hands by the side. So as we begin to rotate, we should put that in mind. As I hit the play button, we'll count. So this is the first one, 180 degrees, all right? And the second one will be at 360 degrees. So we say this one has a rotational symmetry of order 2. If this video has been useful to you, remember to like it and remember also to subscribe to my channel to help the channel grow. I'll see you in the next video.